Welcome to Lesson 8 of the class Dutch Pronunciation for Beginners, Consonant Letters. In this lesson, we'll learn the main pronunciation and spelling rules of 3 consonant letters, G, H and J. In fact, these letters don't have significant similarities in pronunciation. We'll still look at them in the same lesson because other consonant letters that do have notable similarities in pronunciation have been grouped into other lessons. First, let's look at the letter G. Nowadays, many native Dutch speakers, especially in the north of the Netherlands, pronounce the letter G in the same way as they pronounce the letter combination CH. Both are nowadays normally pronounced as a voiceless consonant G, although traditionally the letter G was pronounced as a voiced consonant. For the sake of simplicity, we'll just pronounce the letter G as a voiceless consonant G in this class. Let's practice 3 example words. Gat, geest, dag. If the letter G appears in an English or French loanword, it's usually not pronounced as G. In English loanwords, the letter G is generally pronounced the same as in English. For example, the English word gate is also used in Dutch. It should be pronounced simply as gate, not as gate. The same goes for the English words go and game. They're simply pronounced the same as in English. In words borrowed from French, the letter G is usually pronounced as a voiced consonant J. This consonant also appears in English. It's the same as the second consonant in the English word measure. Let's look at 3 examples. Massage, montage, blamage. Now let's move on to the letter H. This letter is generally pronounced as H, which is the same as the consonant in the English word how. For example, haas, hond, hoek. Lastly, let's look at the letter Y. This letter is generally pronounced as a voiceless consonant Y. It's the same as the consonant in the English word year. Let's look at the last 3 example words of this lesson. Ja, jas, jood. Well, that brings us to the end of this lesson. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.